The penetrant testing, inspection process for roller weld seams. 1. Surface cleaning. Clean the weld seam and its surrounding area, 30 mm range, to remove oil, rust, and other impurities, ensuring the surface is clean and dry. 2. Application of penetrant. Evenly apply penetrant to the weld seam surface and let it dwell for 5 to 15 minutes to allow it to seep into defects. 3. Removal of excess penetrant. Use a cleaner to remove excess penetrant from the surface, avoiding overcleaning. 4. Drying. Ensure the weld seam surface is completely dry. 5. Application of developer. Evenly apply developer to the surface and let it develop for 10 to 15 minutes. 6. Inspection and evaluation. Inspect the weld seam under appropriate lighting conditions and record any defects found.